Here we go. 2025 Topps Baseball Series 1. And we have the American League Yankees team card. Very nice. Next we have Ketel Marte. And there he is, the legend already, Shohei Ohtani. Very nice card, Shohei. Pedro Pages of the Cardinals. Anthony Volpe sliding into home plate. Pete Crow Armstrong, future stars of the Cubs. Red Sox team card, Dub and Drench. Miguel Vargas. Alec Bohm. Drew Thorpe rookie card. Paul Skenes All-Star Rookie Cup card 1990 foil board. Very nice. Fernando Tatis Jr. Stars of the MLB. Jesus Sanchez on the last card. Here we have Pete Fairbanks.